All right, so our first question says here, so Tom and Amy set their alarms on their phones to sound at 6:45 a.m. Both alarms sound together at 6:45 a.m. Tom's alarm then sounds every 9 minutes. Amy's alarm then sounds every 12 minutes. At what time will both alarms sound together? So let me write this down first. So I'm given a bunch of information here. So I have Tom's alarm, and I also have Amy's alarm, right? So I have Tom's alarm. It sounds every 9 minutes. So every 9 minutes. I'll write the word every 9 minutes. And then Amy's alarm sounds every 12 minutes here. And we know that they both ring at 6:45, right? Both alarms sound together at 6:45. So both ring at 6:45. It's asking us at what time will both alarms next sound together. So if you look at, I'll use blue for Tom here. If you look at Tom's alarm here, it rings every 9 minutes, right? So so you can think of it as being in a multiple of 9. So if you write down the multiples of 9 here, you have 9. It's going to ring every 9 minutes. So at the first 9 minutes, and then it's going to ring after 18 minutes, 27, 36, 45, and so on and so forth, right? It's going to ring every 9 minutes, and it doesn't alternate from that here. So every 9 minutes it's going to ring. If you convert that into time, we'll do that as our last step here. So let's leave that for the last step here. And then for Amy's alarm, it rings every 12 minutes, right? So every 12 minutes, it's going to ring. So the first time it's going to ring every 12 minutes. So 12 plus 12 here is another 24. 12 plus 12 is 36, and 48, and then 60, and so on and so forth. And they're asking us at what time will both alarms sound together, right? So I'm looking at these numbers here, and I'm saying which one from Tom's set of numbers and from Amy's numbers are the same. And as you can see here, 36 is the common number here, right? 36 would be, you can think of it as my lowest common multiple between 9 and 12, right? So therefore that means after 36 minutes, the alarms will ring together, right? Alarms will ring together. So we know it's after 36 minutes here, but what does that mean in time? So remember, the starting time here was 6:45. I'm going to have to add 36 minutes to it. So starting time, I'll just say start time here is 6:45, and I'm adding 36 minutes here. So how I would visualize this is I would add basically half an hour plus 6 minutes here. So half an hour of 6:45 plus half an hour, I would maybe do this guy here, would be 7:15, right? 6:45, so yeah, 6:45. If you add half an hour to that, it's going to give you 7:15. So it'll cancel out this half an hour here because we added this already. And all we have to do is add 6 minutes to 7:15, and you get 7:21. So that means our answer here is at 7:21, both alarms are going to sound here. So this is here is our final answer. So let's look at the solution here. So given Tom and Amy has set their alarms to sound at 6:45, good. They sound at every 9 minutes, so that's good. So they were at 9, 18, 27, 36. Amy's is 12 minutes, so after 12, 24, 36, and 48, which is good. And since timing of both the alarms match after 36 minutes, therefore the next alarm will sound after 6:45 plus 36 minutes, which is 7:21 here. So this here is the correct answer. Solution is correct. Good analysis. So they use the concept of lowest common multiple here, right?